Hey guys, what is up, you awesome tubers, and welcome to a reaction with Monsters song, by the, what the, well, it's made by Minecraft Gamer, just like Xbox K Gamer, or Xbox Gamer K, so let's get into this. I hope it's not it.
The secret side of me, I never let you see. I keep it caged, but I can't control it. So stay away from me, the beast is ugly. I feel the rage and I just can't hold it. It's scratching on the wall, and the closet in the holes. It comes a rage and I can't control it. Hiding under the bed, and my body in my head. Why won't somebody come and save me from this? Make it in. I feel it deep within. It's just beneath the skin.
And have you guys know I'm one of those prankster gangsters, just like Pink Sheep. That's one of another of my favorite YouTubers. So let's get into this.
Somebody come and save me from this. Make it in. I feel it deep within. It's just beneath the skin. I must confess that I feel like a monster. I hate what I've become. The darkness has begun. I must confess that I feel like a monster. I feel it deep within. It's just beneath the skin. I must confess that I feel like a monster. I feel like a monster. I feel like a monster. It's hiding in the dark, its teeth are razor sharp. There's no escape for me, it wants my soul, it wants my heart. No one can hear me scream, maybe it's just a dream. Maybe it's inside of me, of this monster. I feel it deep within, it's just beneath the skin. I must confess that I feel like a monster. I hate what I've become, the darkness has begun. I must confess that I feel like a monster. I feel it deep within, it's just beneath the skin. I must confess that I feel like a monster. I kinda lose control. It's something radical. I must confess that I feel like a monster. 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 I feel like a monster.
Whoa! Great job, Minecraft Gamer. That was some stuff, and I hope you guys enjoyed this first reaction. And I hope you enjoyed it. Please do subscribe and join. Hold on, like, subscribe. We'll see y'all later. Peace out, my prankster gangsters. Sorry, Pink Sheep, if I copied you. But I'm a prankster gangster also. And beware of the mouse and the Illuminati. The mouse is exploding TNT. Bye. So...